Okay, so here we are in the Ethereum. I'm looking at the 1 hour chart, and this is very obvious that there is a pullback. What else are we looking for? A breakout. So after a pullback, you want to look for a breakout. Here it is. So we draw a line, trend line breakout, right there, matching the highs and the lows. Here it goes. Yes. So this is the breakout. This is the pullback, testing the top of the flag. Well, sort of a flag. Yeah, it is a flag. False breakout. Down. And now this seems to be a real breakout. This is the hour chart. Every bar is 1 hour. Go back, test it, move up. But look at this. So the breakout comes. I want to show you what identifies this as a true breakout versus a false breakout. In the false breakout, so the breakout came, volume came, but then this bar didn't take it higher. It moved back inside the flag. So this was the indication that the breakout was not coming. And also we don't see volume. After a breakout, you want to see volume coming in, like big bars. Didn't. So price came down inside the flag, up and down, moving lower. And then here, this is the breakout we're looking at. That's volume. Now, didn't quite give us the energy we were looking for. Pull back, 3, 4, 5 hours later, tested the top of the flag, and then printed a hammer on the hourly chart, and then a bullish engulfing. So these two together, it's the indication that the breakout is happening. Price is moving above the ATMA, volume is coming in, and there, more volume, see? Then once you find this breakout right here, you want to go inside the, let's see, the 1 minute chart. Let's look, see what that looks like. Sometimes the currency doesn't trade enough. So this is the flag we were looking at. See, price broke above it, pulled back down, tested, rolled over, tested the top of the flag, and then moved up. So this is the 1 minute chart. You see this currency doesn't trade a lot. Volume bars, not that big. So this was the breakout. Came with volume, right there. Pulled back a few times, moved sideways, and then came down, tested, and then moved up. But here is the key piece. The top of the flag held, and price moved above the moving averages, and then shoot up. This was the consolidation, right through here. We can draw some trend line. And we can draw also a support trend line. Okay, so this is bottom of the channel. Okay, and then you make the top of the channel. So we have price popping down for just a split second and then back up again. So this could have taken out people. But then here price returns above the support, right here. And then what happened? Volume coming in. Look at the volume coming in right here. Look at this big bar right here. So this would have been a place to jump in. And price ran from 1220 up to 1270. Go back, 1280, and then reversed. And then you could have taken your profit. You could have closed the position here when price violated the bottom of the channel. See, right here. But this was the place to enter. So you see price come down, test the top of this flag right here. See, this was obvious. And then price moved above the moving average, all of them, and moved up. Beautiful. Consolidated, pulled back a little bit, but was right up above the support, and then run again with volume. This was the key piece. Now let's look at, because this currency doesn't trade a lot, we see a lot of horizontal movement. This is just like not trading. So let's look at the 50-minute chart. Same segment. Okay, so this is the flag. Then we looked at the hourly chart and the 1-minute chart, and it's the same at the 15-minute chart, same area. And then right here at the top, price comes down, and look at this. Tests top of the flag as well as the 50 simple day moving average. So this would have been a place to enter the position. The 50 held, top of the flag held, money flow started to go up, very good, and then volume is coming in. See many green bars down here, volume bars coming up, a big volume spike, beautiful. And then price consolidated. So when you look at the 15-minute chart, look at the orange line, that's the ATMA. As long as price remains above the ATMA, stay in the trade. This is a breakout with volume. See this bar right here? Previous one were fine, but this especially. This is the volume that tells us jump in, right there. Yes, this pullback came down a little bit, tested the moving averages, but price was right above it, and the volume wasn't huge. And then more volume is coming in. See, this is the excitement. 1, 2, 3. Look at this third bar. Pull back, and then you start seeing some red down bar, volume bar, and money flow is into oversold, starting to move down. So here is where you close the position. If you're not sure, wait for the moving average. So it's the ATMA holding. You can stay in the position and as long as price closes above the ATMA. As soon as it closes below it, close the position. Or as soon as price violates the support, this is your support right here, violates right there, close the position. Okay? This is the 15-minute chart. So this would have been a run from 1170, let's say you enter here, 1196, all the way up to 1283. Also, another way to know where to exit the trade, as we mentioned before, look for areas of resistance and support. So you gotta pull back the chart and you draw an horizontal line, looking at previous highs and lows. So we see some highs and lows around here. Yeah, so this would have been a place, and then this would have been another place. I'm looking at the high right here, and this would have been another place. So if price had continued higher, which he might, we don't know quite yet, those were the next target. If this channel wasn't violated, the support wasn't violated, price would have continued the 45-degree angle all the way up to 1336 and 1362. So you stay in the trade as long as support holds. Support fails, and then you have down bars and money flow is moving down, then you close the position. You see right here, volume is increasing, this is all selling.